Rodita Rosario. I'm with Heartmate Kitchenware Manila Group. At ang aking lulutuin ay kinilaw na puso ng saging with a twist. Okay, and ang mga ingredients nito ay garlic, onions, pork, shrimps, anato, vinegar of course, and some salt and pepper. But this one is the secret ingredients, shrimp juice. And of course, the puso ng saging, and this one is optional to beyond. And I'm gonna use the pork parts, and this one, the 12 inches is, and of course this one is the royal cafe for hot water. One, gonna make chicharon. Habang niluluto natin ang chicharon, susunod ko naman tong garlic. So, iro-roast natin to para yun ang iseset aside natin after. Inaano ko tong garlic para tustahin. So it should be really toasted garlic para pang-ibabaw dun sa luto namin. Kinilaw na puso ng saging. Ay, luto na yung ating toasted garlic. So, onions. Kasi para hindi ka agad masulog yung garlic. So, onions first. And next is the shrimp. You have to cook this very well. Shrimp juice. So, yan muna. Kasi ayoko siyang lumabsa. So, huwag nang haluin. Yan mo siyang kumulo para luto yung juice. Add natin ang suka, pero huwag nyo nga haluin itong yung suka hindi maluluto. So, maaskad. Optional to. So, pero lulutuin ko siya para kung sino yung gusto ng bihon, lulutuin ko ito. So, simmer to. Pakuluin maigi. Itong shrimp juice. And then I will put anato na para pang make up.